I beat it. Okay. Well, there we go. Dude, this level was so buns. Like, I don't even know what this... I don't even want to talk about it. Like, it's so easy, yet so hard for no reason. Like, I don't even know. It's so dumb. Is my death tracker working? Yeah, here's my deaths at the end. It was kind of annoying. 84, 83, and 82 times 2. And some other stupid deaths. At least I didn't die to the last wave or the last ship. So I guess I'll take it. Yeah. Alright, GG.